Did you know that adding beets to your diet can improve your stamina and lower blood pressure? Here's a quick and fun way to enjoy them. Make a delicious beet hummus dip. Try this today. Simply blend 1 cup of cooked beets with 1 can of drained chickpeas, 2 tablespoons of tahini, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, and a garlic clove. Blend until smooth, adding salt and pepper to taste. This vibrant dip is not just a feast for the eyes, but also packed with fiber, protein, and antioxidants that can enhance your overall well-being. Imagine a snack that not only keeps you full for hours, but also supports your health goals. Serve it with fresh veggies or whole grain pita for a colorful platter that will impress any guest. This beet hummus is perfect for parties or for enjoying solo while binge-watching your favorite show. Its earthy flavor combined with a hint of garlic is simply irresistible and will have everyone asking for the recipe. Would you try this? Share your thoughts and let us know your favorite healthy food hacks. Your body will thank you for this nutritious twist on a classic dip that's as delightful to eat as it is to look at.